Every flex PCB begins with a design decision. The material you choose, the way the circuit bends, the stack up, copper thickness, adhesives, stiffeners, and assembly method. Each choice can affect performance, reliability, cost, and manufacturability. For design engineers, that means flex circuits require a different way of thinking. A flex layout will work better in situations that require repeated bending, tight spaces, vibration, heat, or harsh operating environments. Small details, like conductor placement, bend radius, via location, or the wrong copper type, can lead to cracking, delamination, production delays, or redesigns. That is why PICA Manufacturing Solutions created the eBook, What Design Engineers Should Know About Flex PCB. This guide helps engineers look at flex PCB design from every angle, from early layout decisions to final production. Inside, the eBook breaks down the major areas that can influence a successful flex circuit: material selection, mechanical design, manufacturing methods, assembly strategy, and cost control. You will learn how choices like copper type, dielectric materials, adhesives, stiffeners, and stack-up design can affect flexibility, durability, electrical performance, and long-term reliability. The guide also explains how manufacturing processes and tooling requirements can shape what is practical, repeatable, and cost-effective once a design moves into production. For applications that require bending, folding, or repeated movement, the eBook covers design practices that help reduce stress, improve tear resistance, support critical areas, and extend flex life. It also connects design decisions to assembly and production planning, including how flex circuits are handled, tested, assembled, and produced at scale. Whether you are designing for medical devices, wearables, automotive electronics, aerospace systems, industrial equipment, or compact electronic assemblies, this eBook gives you a practical foundation for designing flex PCBs with confidence. Download your free copy of What Design Engineers Should Know About Flex PCB from PICA Manufacturing Solutions. Visit picamfg.com to get your copy today.